Welcome friends, my name is Mai. Today we are making delicious Thai lettuce wraps with satay chicken, coconut curry noodles, and 3 amazing Thai sauces. Begin by making the marinade for the chicken. In a saucepan, combine garlic powder, ginger powder, cumin powder, curry powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, fish sauce, coconut milk, and brown sugar. Mix together. Slice and tenderize the chicken and place in the marinade. Now place the chicken in the refrigerator. While the chicken is marinating, let's make the delicious Thai sauces. First, the sweet red chili. In a small cup or bowl, combine warm water, sugar, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, soy sauce, and grated ginger. Mix these ingredients together. Now add the SAMBAL chili paste. Next, the peanut sauce. In a small pot, combine smooth creamy peanut butter, grated ginger, lime juice, seasoned rice vinegar, sesame oil, soy sauce, water, and honey. Stir over medium heat until all the ingredients combine. Grind some roasted peanut. Next, the tamarind cashew sauce. In a small pot over medium heat, combine balsamic vinegar, white vinegar, turmeric powder, tamarind paste, sugar, and honey. Once the ingredients combine, remove from heat. Slice the cilantro and green onion. Place the sliced cilantro, green onions, raw cashew, garlic cloves, cumin powder, and black pepper in a food processor. Process until all the ingredients are finely chopped. Pour in the tamarind mixture and olive oil. Process into a creamy paste. Time to make the coconut curry noodles. Boil the noodles, following the package directions. Now stir the curry and turmeric powder with warm coconut milk and add the coconut curry mixture. Sprinkle on some toasted sesame seeds. Gently toss the noodles. Now grill the marinated chicken. Let the chicken cook for 5 minutes on each side. Serve with butter, lettuce, bean sprouts, pickled cucumber and onion, shredded carrot, and coconut curry noodles. And here you have delicious Thai lettuce wraps, topped with your favorite sauce. You can really taste the sauteed chicken and the peanut sauce. Delicious. You gotta try it. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe and press the notification bell.